let's say that you find a website you really like. For example, Incredibox, which I mentioned earlier today. If you've never seen this website, it's absolutely adorable. Kids love it. I share this, so you got to be careful because it looks like these dudes are not wearing any shirts. So you know, test out the maturity level of the kids to see, can they see a man without a shirt, a cartoon man without a shirt? But let's say that you wanted your students to go to this website. Do you trust them to type Incredibox/V4? Absolutely not. So you go back here to Junior, you create a new material, and a link to a website, you paste it in and say Incredibox. There you go. So now I have Incredibox, so I can assign that to the kids so they go straight to the website. By the way, if you've never, has anyone not seen this? So this is the offensive, the shirtless hipster from France, right? By the way, this may be the thing that you walk out and go, oh, that's what I'm doing on tomorrow. You basically drag here we go. It's almost like Ableton,